Knock, knock.
Bring it in. Yo! And this episode. How much did you use Smartly all day?
Yeah, and it's still got like 60%.
Cereal?
Yeah, I was just using Smartly all day to shoot photo studio, and it's still at 60% battery. What a great little fan to have in your shop. Battery powered.
Cereal? Wow. You used it all day?
Mm-hmm.
Katana? Wow.
Talk about a hole-in-one. Oh my God. Wow, 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 wow. And you just locked it?
Oh.
That was fast.
Special delivery. Sword, because I'm gonna knight this one. Stage 5 katana. All right, come on,
chips in the
come on,
powder coat.
come on, everyone. You want to see me ride? Here. Yo, this grip is dope. I'm gonna do a quick rip in here because we gotta get this cart out to Baron. Baron is about to send it on his Stage 5 taxi garage. Crazy car.
Remember, kids, always safety first. Never ride in the street. We are trained professionals on a closed course. Always wear protective gear. Watch for cars and traffic. And don't just think, don't be stupid. Like us.
Who are you gonna call? Aerotech Pest
Aerotech Pest Control. Not affiliated with Taxi Garage.
Showing what the Stage 5 beast mode is all about. Once the back street here behind the shop clears up. All right, shout out. This one goes to you, Baron. This is, you did click the rip and ship op. Cut. Fuck. I knight thee, the Stage 5 Katana Taxi Garage. Crazy, crazy cart. Baron, shout out to you. Thanks for sending it with us here. Cut. Fuck. First things first, shout out to you, Baron. This is your Stage 5 Taxi Garage crazy, crazy cart with the Katana shift knob that you did ship into us, but look at it now. I knight thee, Ninja, Combat, all the above, because this one is gonna seriously kick some ass. Gotta go! How fast do you think that guy's was? That was probably 8th mile. We do 8th mile drags around here in the back street. You can see all the burnouts. Pulled over real quick, found a new spot on a dead end of a new road. This guy always has the eye. Check out this spot. Let's see if I can scare him from coming behind these pallets. Sun just popped out. We are in hurricane season here, and rip and ships are becoming a little difficult to do because sometimes it rains and then we jump out when Mother Nature clears the skies for us. Like this moment here now. Casey has the eye. We are on another dead end street. You guys says, stop. Sun's coming out. So I do so. But then I'm gonna jump back on this Baron. I'm gonna rip it for you. I'm gonna give it a nice shakedown. I'm gonna show you how much fun you're going to have on this cart. Came out awesome. The Illusion Purple and the Cortez Teal color scheme, fire. Oh my God, I was in his shadows.
No, you're right. Social media's so hard.
He gets upset every time I play shadow games with him. You guys looking at me? Because I'm looking at all of you that could have had Baron's Stage 5 Taxi Garage XL Crazy Crazy Cart. Give him a round of applause. So what we're seeing here, beautiful color combination. I have to give it to him. Illusion Purple, Cortez Teal. Did the two-tone effect here. Also, a cool thing is on the Stage 5s, we offer that custom shift knob setting. So you guys are looking at here is basically, what's that famous guy? Bruce Lee?
Bruce Lee.
So Bruce Lee, after, you know, he's retired now, basically gave Baron his katana sword. We cut the sword off, left this part. Ryan, who does this in-house, does that customization for you guys, made this adapt to the factory drift bar. It is not just for looks. You can actually hold this thing and give it a good grip. And let me tell you, you guys see me riding this thing? I'm giving it a good grip and I'm letting it spin. So, cool feature. First time we've done the katana shift knob. I like it, I'm about it. Let us know what else you guys wanna see, what other ideas are out there. The idea is limitless. Sky is the limit. Sun is out, fun is out. So going over the cart, also new feature here, you might have seen a couple pictures on our social media from Casey. We have, oh, follow me over here, the upgraded XL Taxi Garage neck. So this is still the factory razor neck, except inside, all in here, Ryan does an amazing job of basically re-welding all inside here, plug welded inside. There's a lot of reinforcement that is done behind the scenes. Also, we put our signature side plate on this side, leaving this side still open for you to have easy access for your chain tensioner. So, oh, what else is in here? What makes it go vroom vroom? TG 1000-watt motor. Boom. What comes with the TG 1000-watt motor here? We do send our proprietary chain that looks with the 45 to the lower gear. And when those two components are screaming, you flick the cart on, you lift the nose up. If you want to hear it, we have our new release. This is the CST pneumatic air tire that we released. So this is more like a street performance tire. It does have hella grip. This one is awesome. We found it worked really well, especially on the 1000-watt motor XLs that we produce. So this one, definitely a good option. Not a replacement. Still got our solid tire, still got our knobby air tire, and now we have the CST, basically the street performance tire, we like to call it. We also readjust the seat settings too, because after these get powder coated, we make it all nice, put a little bit of grease here, make it perfect. So we went with a dark purple ABS 3D printed battery box. As you guys know, the sauce here, 48 volts, bzz, coming at you, right? 1000-watt TG controller. Also with the Stage 5s, we always throw in our underglow LED kit. What is this? Send it with who? Send it with us, that's right. So now what we're doing also too is, this is our signature back plate we're putting on the cart. So after it's all welded, reinforced, all the signature Stage 5 side gussets up front. We're gonna be including this back plate here too. I think it's a really slick piece with our airplane, paper trail, sending with us into the distance. The big boys, there's no other way. Honestly, there's no other way to play besides on the TG wide boy casters. Factory casters just aren't gonna do it, especially with how much this powertrain is basically putting down. So thank you, Orangutan. These are the guys we work with. You guys know those crazy longboard shredders. Let's get to that, ready? Like a glove. It's too good to look at. We're gonna fire some awesome photos of this one. Who could be next? Baron, this one is all yours. People have seen it in the showroom. They wanted it, we held it off. We fought them off. We fought them off. So I'm gonna put this sword back in my holster here. We're gonna continue riding. Woo! Follow me, follow me.
Oh my God. Blew my shoe out. I blew my shoe out already.
And that's a wrap. Thanks for watching. Oh, I gotta watch where I'm going. Could be you next. Who knows? Check us out online. We're posting fun every day. Guaranteed fun. Like, comment, subscribe below. All that that camera.